It's time to start fresh. My name's Tyler. A lot of people call me Tynelly.
Tynelly.
Yo, Tynelly. Good morning, my brother.
I've been a freelance content creator, video editor, videographer for the past 8 years. I've had the opportunity to work with professional athletes, music artists, and some of the biggest names in the fitness and health and wellness space, resulting in some pretty incredible experiences. Those who have been subscribed to this channel in the past, I started out posting and sharing a lot of my music content, covers, beat making, live performances. And while that will always be a big part, a huge part of my creative journey, in the future of this channel, I'm going to have a slightly different focus. On this channel, I will be documenting my creative journey through the short films I create, behind the scenes vlogs, filmmaking and editing tips and tricks, and just the ups and the downs really of being a full-time content creator and working for yourself. So if that's something that interests you and you guys want to see more of that, follow along. And yeah, I'm just excited to bring you guys in and be a part of this journey with me. So if any of you are new here, welcome. It's good to have you. And I am super excited to share and create more content for you guys. That's it for this video. I will see y'all soon. Peace.